Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making a wonderful Dutch apple pie with a golden brown crumb topping that's easy to make. To get started, I've already peeled around 6 to 8 Granny Smith apples. Basically, I use 2 pounds of apples and I'm thinly slicing them, removing all the apple slices from the core. I've added all of my sliced apples to a large bowl. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon or a pinch of salt. I'm also going to be adding a 1/3 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now I'm just going to combine and mix well. After combining the ingredients, I'm going to set it aside. Now I'm going to work on the crumb topping. To a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar, and that is a packed cup. I'm going to give that a mix, and I'm going to be working with salted or sea salted butter, but if you're using unsalted, just add a pinch of salt to it. But since I already have salt in the butter, I'm not going to add salt. So now I'm just going to use a dough cutter and just cut this in until it is a crumbly texture. Once everything is combined and crumbly, I'm going to start putting this pie together. I'm working with a 9-inch store-bought crust. This is an unbaked crust. If you want a homemade crust recipe, I will link my buttery, flaky pie crust recipe in the description below. I'm going to add all of my dressed apples and just give it a nice pat on top just to make sure nothing falls out. Now I'm going to top it with the entire bowl of crumb topping. I'm going to place my pie on a baking sheet just so nothing spills out of the pie onto my oven, and I'm going to be baking this in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. And then I'm going to remove it from the oven and allow it to set for about an hour, and then I'm ready to serve. Whether it's fall baking, holiday baking, or just a Dutch apple pie kind of day, I make this pie year-round and my family loves it. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.